Hi, this is Alan Olson, and welcome to American Dreams. I'd like to spend just a few minutes talking about tax changes to do before year end. We have uncertainty in the air with who's going to be president. Depending if you're asking the Republicans or the Democrats, they'll both tell you their candidate is going in. But nevertheless, while we're in this state of influx, trying to get things sorted out on both sides, there are some things that you need to consider to doing before year end. Number one, it would be a good time to revise your will. Visit on this. And why is this? Because if no other law goes into effect, then there's an expiration of lifetime credit that will happen in 2025. The current estate tax exemption is 15,000 per uh, individual, meaning that your gift tax every year you can give 15,000 to an individual and do not have to make that as a reportable gift tax on filing a gift tax return. The current estate tax exemption is $11,580,000. That means that you can move up to $11,580,000 over your lifetime to other individuals and not incur any gift tax. You can whittle down the exemption. So if you're married, you can transfer $11,580,000 out of your half the estate, and your spouse can do the same. $11,580,000. Well, in the year 2025, all that goes away. So now's a good time to revisit to see if there are some things that you should be doing by setting up some trusts or gifting to take advantage of these lifetime exemptions before they expire. One of the other things that is going into effect is that if no other tax law is passed, the CARES Act, all of the tax incentive from the CARES Act will expire in the year 2021. So all of the 5-year carrybacks and all of the being able to offset all ordinary losses against capital gain income will expire next year. So taking that into consideration, if you are still suffering substantially from the pandemic and you have the ability to sell some capital gains or take some cash in on the gains, this would be the year to do it, because you'll be able to shelter the capital gain against your ordinary losses. Next year, though, you're only going to be able to offset up to $250,000 loss against capital gain. Talk to your tax advisor about that. See what else you can do. But the bottom line is, first priority, this is a good year to revise your will or consider making some gifting. And second, make sure that you're focused in on what do I do before the end of the year to make sure I'm taking full advantage of my tax situation.